Hello friends, myself Dr. Padmaja Kore, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmacology, Progressive Education Societies, Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigdi, Pune. In the last lecture, we have studied brief introduction of pharmacology, its various branches and also historical background of the subject. Pharmacology can be broadly classified into two parts, that is pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. Now let us know what is pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics is defined as a branch of pharmacology that deals with movement of a drug into, through and out of a body. In other words, it is the branch of pharmacology dedicated to determine a fate of substance administered to the living organisms. As you can see in the diagram, step number 1 is shown as drug administration. So as we all know, drug administration can be oral, intravenous, intraperitoneal, subcutaneous, intramuscular and inhalational route. Now, after the drug is administered, the next step is its absorption and distribution. As we all know, the drug is absorbed via various parts of a body like membranes of oral cavity, gastrointestinal tract, peritoneum, skin, muscles and lung. After the drug is absorbed, it enters into the plasma and bound to the plasma proteins. Plasma proteins are synthesized by the liver. Now, the drug in the blood exists in the two forms, that is bound form and unbound form. Depending upon drug's affinity for plasma proteins, a portion of a drug may be bound to the plasma protein and remaining portion can be regarded as a free form of a drug, or it may be regarded as an unbound form of a drug. Also, there exists an equilibrium between bound and unbound form of a drug. For example, say there is one drug A which has got 90% of plasma protein binding. It means 10% of a drug is free or in the unbound form. Now that 10% of a drug is available for action into the system. Drug distribution refers to the movement of a drug to and from the blood and various tissues of the body. After the drug is absorbed into the bloodstream, it is rapidly distributed throughout the body. The next step after the distribution is metabolism, and this metabolism can also be regarded as a biotransformation reaction. It is defined as a metabolic breakdown of a drug through specialized enzymatic system. Metabolism involves three phases. That is phase 1, which involves modification reactions, phase 2 that involves conjugation type of reactions, and phase 3 that involves modification and excretion of a drug. Now details of all the phases along with the examples we will see into the further classes. Drug excretion is the last phase into the pharmacokinetics. It refers to removal of a drug from the body either as a metabolite or as unchanged moiety. So there are many different routes of excretion including kidneys, intestines, lungs, sweat glands, etc. And various excretion products are feces, urine, water vapor, sweat and saliva. So far, most important excretory organs are kidney and liver. As you can see in the diagram exposed, absorption, distribution, biotransformation and excretion are distinctly shown. In the beginning phase start with the absorption. As you can see, the drug is in the dosage form. It is shown that drug in the dosage form is released into the solution. Now, the drug in the solution form enters the blood. After the drug enters the blood, it is bound to the plasma proteins. As I already explained, there exists an equilibrium between protein bound form of a drug and free drug. Now, that equilibrium which exists between bound and unbound form is at the site of action as well as storage tissue. Now, the next step after the distribution is biotransformation. So, biotransformation is nothing but metabolism. So, these metabolites which are formed after the biotransformation reactions due to metabolic enzymes in the liver are finally excreted through urine, bile, feces, sweat and saliva. So, biotransformation is a process of formation of metabolites and excretion is the process of removal of substances from the body or removal of the drugs from the body. Thank you.